So get your linear polarizers ready. The blue stuff, I can see it bluish. If you refuse to see it blue, that's fine with me. Now if you don't think this is very blue, then I will try to convince you of that by making the particles artificially larger. And then when I puff the smoke out, these particles will have grown then to 10 microns, and you will not see it blue anymore. It will be distinctly white. That was white. The sky is blue for a very simple reason. That in our sky are very small dust particles. And if these particles are very small, then the probability that light is scattered is inversely proportional to the wavelength of that light to the power 4. And in physics books, we call this Rayleigh scattering. Now blue light has a much shorter wavelength than red light. And so if you take the ratio of the wavelengths of red and blue, raise that to the power 4, depending upon what you choose for the wavelength, you get about 7. So the blue light would scatter about 7 times more likely to scatter than the red light. So imagine now, you're here on the ground, and here's the atmosphere. And let's say the sun is in this direction. Sunlight comes in, hits the atmosphere everywhere in this direction, and you're standing here. Well, this light enters the atmosphere, and the only way it can come to you is through this scattering process. And so there is some light that comes to you. Very likely that that's blue, because it has a 7 times higher probability to be blue than red. But not only will it be blue in this direction, but this light here is also scattered, also comes to you. And so the blue is highly favored over the other colors in the spectrum. And that is, in a nutshell, the reason why the sky is blue. It is essential, though, that the particles of which the scattering takes place is small, preferably 1 or 2 microns. If the particles become larger, say 10 microns, like the small water drops in clouds, then there is no preferred wavelength anymore. Or then it becomes independent of the wavelength lambda, and that's the reason why clouds are white. They are not blue.